Now that the film has successfully been applied to the glass, it just needs to be wired. Smart Film has 2 wires for connecting the bus bar to a controller. And because it works on AC, you don't have to worry about polarity. Flexible conductors on the bus bar designed to minimize wiring footprint on the setup. The wires can easily be hidden using standard cable channels for a clean and polished look. To hide conductors under drywall and get them connected to the controller, we recommend using flat wires. They can be painted to make them practically invisible and provide a nice and clean look to your Smart Film setup. Now it is time to test that the film works after the installation. For details about how to conceal the wires and other wiring solutions, please watch our video, How to Wire Smart Glass and Film. If you are wiring smart film on a glass door or other operable glass surface, our video, Wiring Smart Glass on Doors, may be helpful.